Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this Smart Band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called the display, and once you find it, select it, and here we have the brightness option. Once you see it, tap on it. If you want to change the screen brightness, you need to disable the auto brightness first by tapping on the switch, and then you can tap on the custom option, and here you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.